ANY stock, Sphere 3D Corp, is currently trading at $2.83, a gain of 22.51% in this session of the 4th of February 2021. The news is that, let's see what the news is. The news is that Sphere 3D to grow its Bitcoin mining capacity to 32 exahash through the purchase of 60,000 new miners, or Numina NM440 BTC miners. Upon full deployment, Sphere 3D will be one of the largest carbon neutral Bitcoin miners in the world. Sphere 3D has entered into an agreement to acquire these the 60,000 next generation Numina Bitcoin miners operating at 440 terahash per second for a total capacity of 26.4 exahash per second. Sphere 3D previously contracted to purchase 60,000 Antminer S19J Pro miners totaling 6.0 exahash per second for delivery in this year 2022. So total consideration for Numina machines include $400 million of Sphere 3D capital stock, $29 million in cash, a Sphere 3D option to utilize up to $1.1 billion in and vendor purchase financing, and up to $185 million of additional milestone payments, and as discussed in that piece below. So that's the news. And this news came out, I believe, yesterday, the 3rd of February, at the close of the session of that at the close of that session. And right now we are seeing that it has lost some value now, and at some point we plotted a Fibonacci grid from here, which is at 28.1 to $2.8122. So that's around where it is trading at the moment. So the support below that will be the 2.67. Next one will be 2.58, 2.51, 2.45. We were able to also determine a Fibonacci extension level. That's a target, and we're going to come back to that, but let's see what the underlying trend is. The underlying trend is still sloping upwards. That's the 200-day moving average, and right now it is on this daily chart, it is right where its volume weighted average price is right now. Momentum is very, very strong on this daily chart, so to the RSI as well. So returning to this 1 minute chart, we will see that the gain it has just recovered a small amount of what it just lost. And then returning to the options, we can see it's optional. Yes, we can see that on this February the 4th series that will expire today, the $3 strike has the biggest amount of volumes there, obviously, for the fact that it is currently trading at approximately $3. You would expect that sort of level to that strike to be seeing a lot of activity. So let's see what's going on down here further below. Okay, let's get the big top movers here. The top movers we have, okay, we on the top gainers, it's also that top gainers, we don't have that $3 strike there. We don't have that top gainers. It's rather the three. Okay, it's the biggest gainer is the 350 strike for the 25th of February. Okay, so return to the options chain. Not very much going on there, but let's see what's going on in terms of volumes. That's 8.914 million shares across in the tape. Okay, it has now started to show strength and climb back some of those losses. It recorded some of the losses to its gains. So we were able to determine a target of $3.3. Can it get there? There's no guarantee it can get there. There's no guarantee it can get there. It's a penny stock. Market cap is about 100, and let's see what the market cap is for the stock. Market cap is $145.6 million. So it can be manipulated. It can be manipulated, and it's also quite popular. So let's see what the short interest on the stock is. I think what we know for sure is that it increased by 30%. Let's see. Okay, so Fintel are saying it's the short interest is only 7.13%, not the sort of levels that market participants would share, about 7.7% or thereabouts. So our target is at $3.3. Can it get there? There's no guarantee, but this session still has some hours to go. Anything can happen close to that time. So momentum is showing strength right now in this as we speak right now, but the stock is trading below its 50 minutes moving average, but above its 10 and 20 minute moving averages. So yeah, so the company is making giant strides, and they are now saying that they will be one of the largest carbon neutral Bitcoin miners. If that is going to help, So it's just moving sideways now. It's been moving sideways pretty much for a couple of minutes now. It has now added some more gains now at $2.825. Our target, remember, is 3.3. Can it get there? Now challenging that 50-minute moving average. Momentum still holding up, still very strong there. RSI is also equally strong as well. Okay, so our target is 3.3. Numina, Sphere 3D is to purchase 60,000 Numina NM440 Bitcoin BTC miners. Let's see whether we can show you the machine. That's the machine there. It's going to come up. It's going to come up again, and you'll see it. You'll see the machine we are talking about, the miner. That's the machine. That's it. 60,000 of them. That's what they want to. That's what they're going to install very soon. So our target is 3.3. Is it going to get there? Can it get there? It seems a long shot away. The momentum is still holding up, still overbought at the moment. Okay, so just be really careful. Sphere 3D is quite popular, I believe. Market cap not a huge lot. 145 million is a sort of value that can be manipulated. Just be really careful about the stock, and we'll continue to update you. Our target is $3.3. Thank you very much for watching this video.